Mark Perren-Jones and welcome to my aromatherapy course. In this course, I am going to teach you what are the most effective methods to treat people therapeutically, whether that's a skin problem, digestive disorders, respiratory tract infections, or whatever. I am going to teach you all of these different disorders, these conditions, and the best ways through science-backed research on how to treat these. So you're going to learn all the different ways to apply aromatherapy, and then when you get to specific conditions, what are the best methods from those applications to help the person the quickest. Now, I'm also going to show you which are the best carriers when you do your dilutions, which science have shown it actually brings the essential oils into the bloodstream quicker than others. And I'm also going to show you how you can make the absorption into the bloodstream 3 times quicker topically than if you didn't do this technique. So you're going to find out how to use essential oils in the most effective way to get the best results with both yourself, your family, and your clients. At the start of the course, you'll learn the basics, extraction methods, the different ways they do that, basic safety, which is so important, and then we're going to get into other parts of applying them and using them for all these different disorders and conditions. So I hope you enjoy my course.